It has come to one of those days where we are going to check the tools to jailbreak our devices, and this time around, my critical eye has fallen on the status of exploiting your device. I like that sentence. Anyways, yes, we are going to talk about the jailbreak status. Primarily, we are going to check which devices are jailbreakable on which iOS version. I'm also going to suggest you which iOS to stay on respective to which iPhone you have. Now before we dive in, I just want to talk a little bit about the jailbreak wiki I created, which you can access for free by the way, links will be down in the description below. First, the jailbreak wiki includes a status table which tells you which iPhone is jailbreakable on which iOS version and what tool you need to jailbreak that device, and can you do that without a PC. So if you want to grab all the information about a particular device at a glance and know everything about that device in jailbreaking, you can simply use the jailbreak status tool. Keep watching, I'll try to give you the most accurate and up-to-date information as I can on this jailbreak status. So first of all, if you go to iDevice.com/wiki, which I'll link it down in the description below, no ads, it's 100% free. It's just a simple site where everything about jailbreaking is mentioned. Pretty darn cool. Now, as you can see, everything is mentioned. The important note, which first of all, let me quickly bring this up. I highly recommend you not updating to iOS 14.5 as checkra1n's data does not work. I'll talk more about it at the end of this video, and I'll talk about the jailbreak scams as well. But first, let's pay attention to the status table. For example, I want to check if my iPhone 11, which is on iOS 14.2, is jailbreakable or not, and do I need a computer to do that? Well, simply I can say here is iPhone 11, as you can see, and the iOS version category falls between this because I was talking my iPhone 11 is on iOS 14.2. Now this category is for iOS 14 to iOS 14.3. So apparently I can use Taurine jailbreak or Uncover jailbreak to do that, which is pretty darn cool. I can instantly know which tool I can use to jailbreak my device. It's just a simple table, you all know. And now if I want to know can I do that without a PC, I can simply see yes, I can do that as long as it's running on iOS 14 to iOS 14.3, which it is because it is on iOS 14.2. Now I instantly came to know that I can jailbreak that iPhone using Uncover or Taurine jailbreak, and I can do that without a PC, and I can just hit on Taurine jailbreak link and it will take me to their site from where I can download and jailbreak my device. If I cannot do that, I can simply open the playlist where everything about jailbreaking is mentioned, and here is the Taurine jailbreak tutorial which I can watch to do that. Awesome. Now let's say for an example, I have an iPhone 7 on, like I'm just taking these examples, you can easily do that for yourself too. I have an iPhone 7 on iOS 14.4.1. What tool I can use to jailbreak that device? Well, if you don't know, you can simply head over to the status table, which the site I'll link it down in the description below. Again, there are no ads. It's just a simple site, as you can see, a very minimal site, nothing too fancy. So iPhone 7, as long as it's running on iOS 14.4 to iOS 14.4.2, I can use the checkra1n jailbreak to do that, which I simply came to know with the help of the status table. Now, can I do that without a PC? Well, as long as my iPhone 7 is running on iOS 14 to iOS 14.3, which it's definitely not because I'm talking about iOS 14.4.2 here. So I can simply open the checkra1n link to jailbreak my device, and if I cannot do that myself, I can just simply open this jailbreak playlist, and here should be a tutorial to do that with a computer. As you can see, the full guide, it's a full 15-minute guide. I can watch it to jailbreak my device, and it's quite cool. Now, I would like to take a minute to address these jailbreak scams here because they are super important for you to know. If anyone claims that a certain device on certain iOS version is jailbreakable and this jailbreak status table says it's not, the person who's telling you is a scam. Beware of such scams. Like, if I simply open YouTube right now and I search for iOS 14.4 no PC jailbreak whatever, I'll see many fake scam videos. Like, see, Mr. Beast, 100k views. This is a full jailbreak scam. if you go to the comment section in these videos, you'll see, thank you so much for sharing, it's working, but these are all fake comments. Yeah, these are all fake comments, and like all of this stuff is fake. Beware of such scams and do not fall for those. Again, don't update to iOS 14.5 as iOS 14.5 is straight up non-jailbreakable on any iPhone. Either way, that's been it. I hope you all enjoyed this quick jailbreak status video because I want you to stay on top with the jailbreak news, and I'm trying my best to do that. It took me a lot of time to make this thing, so if you can drop a like, it will be highly appreciated. And I'll catch you all very soon. Peace.